your own website by Malave Bettinger. I would like to introduce you to the website interface of Jimdo. Jimdo is a free web hosting service. It is a platform that website developers can publish their own website for millions of people to potentially view. This user help instruction page will assist you with various problems or issues that you may encounter when creating your own website. Number 1. Choosing your interface and registering. The first issue faced with the amateur website publisher is knowing which interface to choose. If you go to google.com, you can search for best website builder and press enter. I found it helpful to choose 2019 top ranks to bring you to a list of interfaces to choose. This list contains 10 interfaces. I chose Jimdo because I wanted to provide insight on a website that either you did not hear of or want to know more about. Registering for Jimdo is similar to other registration processes. It is fast and easy. Click on Sign Up, which is located on the upper right-hand navigation corner of the site. Type in your email address and create a password. You must confirm your email prior to continuing. Once you confirm your email address, you are ready to explore and create your own website. Number 2. ResearchJimdo.com. The second issue faced with the amateur website publisher is getting to know the website. It is important to research the website prior to creating your web page. It is essential to understand what Jimdo can do for you. The first page shows you 3 choices: website, store, and blog. My intention is to create a website. Choose website without coding and then click Start Now on the navigation menu. Number 3. Using the navigation tools and customizing your web page. The problem you may be faced with is knowing who your intended audience is or how to go about creating a website for an intended audience. Sooner than later, we are all going online, but for now, our intended audience is our professor, classmates, and potential employer. Choose a single individual on the navigation pane and then click a personal project or event. While there are other options, this is the path we will navigate to next. Now, it is time to name your project, and you can name it to fit your audience. In this case, I am naming my project Malave Bettinger, HR Management, HR Specialist, HR Intern, because this is my target job after graduation and this is what will appear on your homepage. In order to continue, you must know your audience. My audience is you and potential employers. The problem that you may encounter now with this interface is narrowing down the field of expertise. The next categories are personal preference. By using the navigation tools, I chose finance, law, and B2B. Keep in mind that you may have to make compromises due to what the website offers. The next step on the navigation tool is sharing Instagram, choosing style, and choosing color on the navigation pane. These are all personal preferences and there is no wrong or right answer as you navigate through these questions. In some cases, they have recommendations for you. The next step in the navigation tool is important and you can only choose 3, and they are consulting, gallery, contact, services, about me, team, portfolio, or none. I chose contact, about me, and portfolio. There is a tiny glitch with Jimdo. I had to go back and do it again because I clicked a Windows back button instead of a Jimdo back button. If you are in a similar position, just make sure you write notes and a table of contents as you go through the navigation. Jimdo will load your personal preferences and come up with 2 choices for the layout of your web page to choose from. I chose Surprise Me at the bottom as I can edit it later on. As you continue with the next step, Jimdo is recommending a website domain. I opted for their recommendation, www.malavebettingerhrmanagerspecialistintern.com. If you want to target a variety of different audiences other than your field, keep your domain somewhat neutral. If I want a broader audience, I will use my other domain on WordPress called www.maluhvbettinger.com. The next step is to choose what levels of a website you want to have. Do you want to pay or just play? For obvious reasons, I am going to choose Play and try it for free icon on the navigation menu. It appears by choosing the Play. I may not have a custom domain. Let's try it and find out. What you need to know at this point is that your domain just changed. It will change to the domain you chose and it will add gym.site at the end of the URL. www.maluhvbettinger.hrmanagerspecialistinter.gymdosite.com. The next issue you will be faced with is customizing your website with the navigation tools with images and text. The issue and problems you will be faced with is the fact that you cannot go back. If you go back, you have to start over from scratch. Know your audience, have a guideline as to the content you want to publish, know what pictures you want, and move forward with care. First up is choosing your font. Next is customizing the wording on the home page as well as using the photographs you want your audience to see. See section 4 on how to use the navigation menu to upload images. Number 4. How to use the navigation menu to upload images on the homepage. I decided to keep the picture that Jimdo recommended, but on the Get to Know Me page, this is where you should customize to fit your personality and experience. It is recommended. Click the navigation image plus icon at the top of the page as shown when discussing the homepage. Click the navigation image picture icon underneath where it says, Get to Know Me. Click Upload Image and choose a photo from your computer. Click on the photo that you want to insert and then click Add Image on the navigation menu, which is located on the bottom right of the window. Repeat as needed. Please know that you can use the images that Jimdo provides. Just be sure it will fit what you want your audience to see. Customize your pages with your own personal information and then click Publish. You just completed your website. https://maluhvbettinger.hrmanagerspecialistinter.gymdosite.com/